Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to make an energy breakfast smoothie. So what you will need is a half a cup of orange juice, 2 teaspoons of honey, and half a banana, 1 cup of frozen strawberries. You can add a few more if you would like, and a few cubes of ice. So I'm going to be using our food blender, our Food Network blender, which has the smoothie button already on there. So it makes it pretty easy to blend. And we're going to get started. So first we're going to pour in our ice. Then we're going to pour in our strawberries. Then we're going to pour in our banana. We'll pour in our orange juice. And last but least, we are going to add our 2 teaspoons of honey. And if you want to use a substitute for honey, you can use nectar, which you can also find at Aldi's. Okay, now we're going to put the lid on. Okay, and then we're going to start. Perfect. So we're going to check just to make sure that it's at the consistency that we want it to be. Sometimes you have to add a few more ice cubes or orange juice. All right, so it looks perfect. So we are going to pour us a cup to start our morning. And voila, we have our energy breakfast smoothie. Thank you, and please subscribe to our video if you want to see more videos like this one.